Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to see who sends you a message on the NGL app. So this is an anonymous messenger app. It's probably used for bullying and stuff, but I'm going to show you guys how to download a NGL modified version where you can see who is sending you the message, their IP address, their name, all that cool stuff. So it actually works, guys. If you use the NGL app, you're going to love it. This is a mod, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it right now. So it's super cool, guys. Keep watching the video. I'm going to show you guys how to get it, and it fully works in 2023. Guys, so as you can see right here, I can see who sends me messages on the NGL app. I got their friggin' location, I got when they sent the message, I have their device model, and their NGL ID, which I can plug into any website I want, and then get their name. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this, so let's get right into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go over to Google. And then once we're on Google, guys, we're going to go to the search bar and just type in ZooMods. Then we're going to go over to this website, and once we're on this website, we're just going to type in NGL. Alright, so NGL. And as you will see, it's going to say NGL mod. So just press on that, and it's going to start to download, guys. So it is literally that easy, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out about this method, because it actually works. I do not use NGL because I can't see who sends me the messages, but with this mod, you can actually see who is sending you messages. It is so insane. So NGL is an app that is used by people worldwide to communicate with someone, but they're not going to know who is sending the messages because they can't see it. But if you download this modded version of the NGL, you can actually get there, as you saw, their location. You got the ID, when they sent the message, even the friggin' time, guys. 3 a.m. What the hell, bro? What are you doing at 3 a.m., bro? Like, come on now. Their phone model, their NGL ID, which is very important, and I do not know where that is, but it is some country, so that's kind of sussy, but whatever. So yeah, this actually works. It's pretty cool. So be sure to go ahead and try this method out for yourself. Get the word out about this tutorial because it is super cool. I'm going to see you guys in a future video, and peace out.